Hello, I'm CGN. This is a quick video to show how to group elements in Canva. In last tutorial, we make the outline text in Canva. This is the thumbnail I made before. I have two text layers. If you want to make a group, I select one of the text layer and shift to select the second text layer. And then we can find group button here, or we can go to three dots menu. We can find group here. Or we can use shortcut Ctrl K to group it together. I click group, so we can make the two text layers into one group. So if you want to see this, we can go to position and then go to layers. We make two text layers into one group. Now if we ungroup them, we can separate them into two layers. If we group it again, so we can make it group it together. If you want to group the image, we can press Shift and click to select the image logo, and then we can press Ctrl G to group the three elements all together. So this is how we can group elements in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CGN. See you in the next video.